there, young explorers! Ready to dig into something amazing? Did you know that the ground beneath our feet is full of secrets? Today, we're going on an adventure to discover the layers and types of soil. Get ready to learn about the Earth's hidden treasures and how they help us every day. Are you excited? Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about what soil actually is. Soil is the top layer of the Earth's surface. It's made up of tiny pieces of rock, dead plants and animals, water, and air. Soil is super important because it helps plants grow and provides a home for many small animals. Now, let's explore the layers of soil. Imagine the soil is like a giant cake with different layers. The top layer is called topsoil. This is where plants grow their roots and where we find most of the nutrients. It's dark in color because it has lots of dead leaves and other organic matter. Below the topsoil, we have the subsoil. This layer is lighter in color and has less organic matter. It's mostly made up of clay and minerals that have washed down from the topsoil. The next layer is called the parent material. This is where soil comes from. It's made up of broken down rocks. Finally, at the very bottom, we have bedrock. This is solid rock that hasn't been broken down yet. Now, let's talk about the different types of soil. There are 4 main types: sandy, silty, clay, and loamy. Sandy soil feels gritty and doesn't hold water well. It's great for growing carrots and potatoes. Silty soil feels smooth and holds water better than sandy soil. It's perfect for growing most fruits and vegetables. Clay soil is sticky when wet and hard when dry. It holds lots of nutrients, but can be tough for plants to grow in. It's good for growing wheat and other grains. Loamy soil is a mix of sand, silt, and clay. It's the best type of soil for growing almost anything. Let's talk about how we use different types of soil. Farmers use soil to grow our food. They choose the right type of soil for different crops. Gardeners use soil to grow beautiful flowers and tasty vegetables. Did you know that we use soil to make bricks for building houses? Clay soil is perfect for this. We also use soil to make pottery and sculptures. Soil is also important for the environment. It helps clean our water by filtering out pollutants. It stores carbon, which helps fight climate change. Soil provides a home for billions of tiny organisms that keep our planet healthy. Here's a fun fact. It takes about 500 years to form just 1 inch of topsoil. That's why it's so important to take care of our soil. Now, let's learn how to be soil superheroes. We can help protect soil by not wasting water. When we use too much water, it can wash away the good nutrients in the soil. We can also help by composting our food scraps. This adds nutrients back into the soil. Another way to help is by planting trees and other plants. Their roots help hold the soil together and prevent erosion. We should also be careful not to use too many chemicals in our gardens. These can harm the helpful organisms living in the soil. Wow, we've learned so much about soil today. We've discovered its layers, types, and how important it is for our planet. Remember, soil is a precious resource that we need to protect. Next time you're outside, take a moment to appreciate the amazing world beneath your feet. If you enjoyed learning about soil, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family so they can learn too. What's your favorite thing about soil? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this soil adventure. See you next time, young scientists!